In this video, we're going to install the GoLinks browser extension for your Firefox browser. The extension is required to use the GoLink command in your address bar. During signup, you will be prompted to install the extension. Click on the Add to Firefox button, and a dialog box will appear below your address bar. Click on Continue to Installation to start the process, and then Add to complete the installation. Once that's done, you will see a completion message on the top right of your browser window. If you did not install the extension during signup or uninstalled it by accident, visit your dashboard and click on the Add Firefox extension button at the top of the page. It's that simple. Now you're ready to use GoLinks on Firefox. Check out our other videos on how to get the most out of your GoLinks browser extension.